Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video let's take a look at the S&P 500 and Nasdaq with the tech stocks, that is Microsoft, Apple, Meta, Netflix, Google and Amazon. Guys, market has turned around. Bears are demolished. They are done. Kaboom! Not just on S&P 500 or the tech stocks, but also on Tesla, EVs, semiconductors. I already did a video on Tesla. You can check that out on my channel over here, how bears have cooked themselves. So yeah, check that out, guys. And then also don't forget to check out my dividend investing channel. I did buy some Google today. I'll be talking about that in my dividend investing portfolio that I have been building. And on this channel, the video will be coming out on dividend investing channel. Link to this channel is in the description of this video as well. So, wow, look at the beautiful price action on S&P 500, guys. So, things were dicey today. Like in the morning when I talked about S&P 500, we were below the blue box and the red candle was down here, like down here, right? Look at this comeback. I mean, this thing just got completely flipped around, completely bought back up and shot straight back up to our previous, though, pivot level. But it's a really good, strong price action now. Let's go to the 5 minutes interval. I just want to show you this climb that this thing did on like today. Like if I turn on this tool as well, easy day and swing trading tool, which marks, color coded manner, I mean everything. So you can see we stayed below the cloud. That was it. This is where price structure turned bullish and unstoppable. I mean, structure just remained bullish even through the pullbacks, right? And we just straight like unstoppable. SPY just turned around as if there is no tomorrow, right? This is really good price action on SPY. And yes, overall structure, though right now, technically, yes, it's a good bullish structure. Well, it's a on the hourly interval and lower time frame. Yes, it's already in the bullish territory. Okay, so but on the daily interval, we are not fully yet there though. Okay, so what do I mean by that? If I take you to the daily interval, we are not fully there yet, but we are not far away from becoming that. So just, but this is a very strong rebound as we talked about yesterday as well. Bigger time frames usually require a lot more criteria for structure to fully become bullish. And sometimes it's helpful, I'll go through the levels and, things will get clear. So let's talk about that. So yes, overall, it's a really good bullish, well, rebound, very good rebound structure on the daily interval. And the way the candle has formed today shows us that bulls are present all below 547 now. At this point, any pullback until 547 is not to worry about, in my opinion, as long as we don't lose and close below 547 and 78 cents area. As long as we can keep closing above it, even into the pullbacks, that's just fine. We do have a really good pivots in our hand now. Market has flipped, in my opinion, and just my opinion here, guys, nothing is financial advice, and bears are demolished. They were thinking, market will continue to fall forever now, but no, that's not the case anymore. That's why it's very important to have stop loss. That's why it's important to trade with the structures and never underestimate the market, and also important to stay with the levels. If any short position was taken below the blue box, well, I just showed you in the 5 minutes interval the structure that helps you to know where the structure is changing and where the position needs to be flipped. So it should have been flipped long time ago, even if you were bearish below the blue box, right? So, but yeah, we are full on in the structure, really looking good for tomorrow. Let's even identify those levels. I already told you on the daily interval, even through the pullbacks, we can stay bullish. So at this point, even if sell-off starts to happen tomorrow, I will not want to short it technically, because we are in the upward structure. Any pullback until 550 even, we'll have to see if wherever the price action, even if the pullback happens, where the price action holds. But it's better to just stay with the structure on the lower time frame that is bullish if you are doing intraday trading, and then where you see the price structure on the lower time frame with my tool, that structure is turning bullish, right? For example, just really quickly, right, where the structure is turning bullish, well, it's a good stuff too, because overall structure, well, on the hourly interval, structure is strong. So Yep, guys, we have a lot of level to stay bullish. Even 550 is a good level to just stay bullish tomorrow. So pullbacks. So if the pullback happens, don't think that we are now falling again. We can continue to stay bullish for a good number of days on this intraday trades, right? So that's that. All right, let's go to NASDAQ now. QQ, also a really good price action on NASDAQ, though we have turned overall structure also bullish again. Oh yeah. And at this point as well on NASDAQ, as long as we stay above 460, we are just going to stay in the bullish structure. And really good pivot formed also, guys, at this area 448. That's why these zones are so important that I was calling out with this previous prior consolidation as well. And yeah, today we turned bullish green and things are looking really awesome on NASDAQ as well. So levels to watch for tomorrow, well, similarly, any pullback at this point, you have multiple levels through the pullbacks. One is 464 level. All right, this is something you can be watching tomorrow. And then you still, I mean, and even 460, if deeper sell-off happens, as long as we can stay above these levels, you can see where the pullback is holding itself, right? Double bottoms, higher lows, or structure is becoming bullish on lower time frame after falling, and just follow the overall at least hourly interval time frame as well for making those decisions with the lower time frame combination. So yes, we are still looking great. Well, we are good on QQ now, really looking great. All right, so all the credit goes to these individual tech stocks, guys, right? Because they affect the bigger indices. So Microsoft, we turned actually in the structure bullish yesterday, right? And today we are seeing just a continuation to the upside. Yeah, it's I mean structure is bullish, guys, on the daily interval, and we have been looking really great. So yeah, and today, well, yeah, found support at one of our significant level 410, continuing higher. Tomorrow, as long as we can still stay above 470.67 above, this is just a bullish play. We are intraday, daily, lower time frame, everything, at least right now, as long as these levels don't break anymore, 470.67, we are just straight the upside. Below that has to be a stop loss, but you can see structure was bullish on this from yesterday already from the tool, right? So yeah, Microsoft is also looking great. So yeah, that's that. Apple continuing higher today. And this is what I have been saying on Apple, guys. These are really good pivots here. Bullish momentum is continuing to buying it up, and it's still getting bought back up. So let's see if it can continue higher. So technically, yeah, it's still technically holding pivots. At least these intraday strengths are coming. If you want to watch levels for tomorrow, as long as it doesn't loses now um, this zone, we are fine. That is the zone of 220 to 221. Above this, we are just upside play. Meta. So Meta doing some game-changing stuff as well today. Is that right? Let's go to the daily interval. Well, guys, everything is getting bought back up today, right? Like on this though, on Meta, you will still see structure in the negative territory, but it's not far away from becoming bullish full on. It's a really good price action though, holding this zone of $503 area. And I think the near-term bottom is in on Meta, because when you have 5 previous candles just hold here, it's a really good sign. And going to the hourly interval as well. Yeah, tomorrow, well now, yeah, if we will get above 200 hours moving average, just a continuation up from here, not 200 hours moving average, just I would say $515 level. And any pullback, as long as it can hold above 508 on Meta, we are just fine. All right, Netflix. So let's go to the daily interval. And Netflix also showing good price action just above the 50 days moving average. And pretty much, that boxes are still holding. And yeah, if we continue to stay above this level tomorrow, 678 and 99 cents can just continue higher. Above this is just a bullish play. You can see today's sell-off just got bought back up as well. So there is a lot of strength, I get it. Like in the morning, it was also selling off, right? Today, like here you go. And let's actually turn on the tool here as well. And you can see that, yep, in the morning we were in the bearish structure, and then eventually we turned bullish So yeah, things are looking right now good on Netflix as well. Google. Google, guys. Okay, well, my junior trader dividend investing channel, I bought Google covered call ETF today. I'll be talking about that in my videos today on this channel. Check this channel out in the description of this video. And while I'm talking about it, if you need also access to my tools, links to my tools are in the description of this video that you see on the videos here, right? Okay, so Google, I think there is some rebound that can at least come to 200 days moving average first. It's showing 3 days of support at this very level of 147.25, and with the market getting bought back up, Google may follow suit, right? And tomorrow, if we stay above this level of 150.87, this rebound can continue up. So this upside can continue now, as long as we stay above that level, right? So Amazon. Amazon, again, good price action. And this thing, let's turn on the structure as well on this. Yep, today we are fully marking it as bullish candle as well. And yeah, really good price action here with this support at 20 days moving average. Yeah, as long as it holds above any of these levels like 182.42 or even 180 tomorrow, it can just continue higher. Remember, there is this a really good demand candle here. If we lose this zone down here, that is 178 area or so, and we close down here again, then we have a problem. Then we are getting weaker. But that's the reason that today's strength, we have to really take it as a strong strength, is because we first were selling off across the whole market and then got bought back up, and just didn't get bought back up. We went way higher up, and that's why it's a very important price action today. All right. Well, anyways, that's it for this video, guys. If you found this video helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe. Need access to my tools, links are in the description below. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.